welcome back to day 14 of hashtag ASR 99 Days Data Science Challenge. And today we are going to look at Python list. So what is a list? List are nothing but a sequence of elements separated by commas and they are stored within square brackets. So let's create our first list and name it A, and let us do it as 11, 33, 44, 55, and this is our first list, and let's print it. And this is our list. And lists are mutable. That means we can change our list and replace any numbers in the list and do such kind of operations. And now, what if I want to select 33? So to select 33, I would type A, and the list works in a way such as it assigns 11 as 0, 33 as 1, 44 as 2, and 55 as 3. So A of 1 gives me 33. In the similar way, A of 3 gives me 55, and A of 4 gives me an error such as list index out of range, because the range of this list is 0 to 3. And if we want to do it in a reverse order, it is also possible, but in reverse order it starts with -1. So -1 is assigned for 55, -2 for 44, -3 for 33, and -4 for 11. So A of -1 gives me 55. So what if I want to select a number from 11 to 44? So A of 0 is 2. So 44 is 2. But the last digit is -1 of its index. So which means we should give 3 here so that we can get 44. So I get you guys understood it. The index of the last number we have to get should be added 1 over here. And in the similar way, if you want to get all the numbers, for that we have to give 0 is 2 and leave it as a blank over there, and we will get all the elements of our list. And now let's look at some of the functions that are built-in functions that are associated with our list. So the first function is append. A dot append, and inside this we have to pass a value. So let's say 77, and now let's print A, and here we can notice that 77 is added at the end of our list A. And there's another function, insert. A dot insert. Insert takes two parameters. One is the index range, let's say 2, and another is our value, let's say 88, and A. So at our index 2, that is 0, 1, and 2, our value 88 has been stored. This is the difference between append and insert. Append adds the value always at the end of our list, and insert does it according to our wish. So we should pass our index value and also the value of what else we have to store. And remove. A dot remove 55. Now let's print A, and the value 55 has been erased. So what if I want to erase based on the index? So for that we use the function pop. In pop we have to pass the index of our value. So let's say 0, and when we print a, the value 11 is being missed, so it has been removed. When we say min of and let's pass our list in there, we will get a minimum value of our list, that is 33. Now let's say for max, it will give the maximum value, and for sum it gives the total value, and much cool built-in functions in list. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and in this video we have given a little glimpse and a basic introduction on what is list. Lists are really useful, and over list in data science we use NumPy, which has more benefits over list, and we will discuss about it later. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like the video and leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 15.